Miss Daniela, for our audience, could you please begin by introducing yourself?
Okay, so my name is Daniela Clark, and I call myself vegan mom.
I'm Christina.
And what are you?
Vegan girl.
She's the vegan girl, like in our videos.
All right, okay. How does your belief affect your music, uh, or life?
Yeah. So, um, I'm a Christian, and I believe that God created um, the universe. He created us. He created the animals. He created music. And like the German composer Johann Sebastian Bach so eloquently said, music is to be performed to the glory of God and for the enlightenment of our spirit. And I really love Bach's music and his attitude toward it. And I also believe that our body is the temple of the Holy Spirit. And we have to respect that. Instead of making it a tomb for dead animals, we need to make it a temple for God and eat good food and listen to good music and exercise. And, God has given us everything like the sunshine. He told us to sleep and to rest. And he gave us beautiful music. He gave us really everything.